science journey. And today, we are doing a science experiment on Papa and Jay's science experiments.
Okay. You gotta keep talking, Jay.
And we're gonna do a rocket.
Today we're doing rocket science.
Yeah, we're doing rocket science.
All right. Okay. So, what's in the box? What do we have? What do we have to do?
Okay. Let's open it first. Okay. Here's the rocket.
Gotta show them. It comes with the rocket.
Comes with the rocket. Comes with the stand. Comes with these pieces, which you put this on this, and you put this on this.
Yep, that's for the rocket.
And then this is the instructions, but we don't need it anyway.
Pop always says we don't need instructions, do we?
No.
Okay, now what we need to do is we need to assemble these parts. You know how to do that?
Yes.
Put
this.
You got it right.
The other way.
You got it right.
That. That.
Uh-huh. Then we're going to have to get the ingredients.
Yeah.
And then we have to put the ingredients on there and then push it on.
Yeah.
Whoops. All right. What we need to do
is place this funnel.
Get the funnel there. And we have to put baking soda in the tube.
Yeah. And we do the same thing with vinegar.
Well, we have to put that in the rocket.
Yeah.
See if we can get this to work. And of course, it's stuck. All right, it's got 3 different settings. It's got a minimum, a medium, and a maximum setting. Which one do you think we should do, Jay?
Max.
Okay.
And how did I know that was coming?
That means all the way right there.
Is it all there yet?
Yep, it's there.
It's right there. Okay. Now, let's see, get some of this extra off. All right. Now you're gonna have to stand up so we can get ready to run.
Yeah, we have to get ready because we need the vinegar.
Yep, we sure do.
Vinegar. And then we just put it on, and then we push it in, and then it'll go, and then it'll launch.
You think so?
Yeah.
Hope so.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We have to put here. Let's use the funnel for this one here. You put the funnel in here. In this end. There you go. Like that. And see, here are the lines down here, right there, that we had to fill it up to.
See, and you can see it by the darkening.
Yep, you sure can. And
it's bubbling.
It's bubbling.
And there. Right there.
All right, it's up to the maximum.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think we got to put this stuff aside a little bit.
What?
Now, take the funnel out. You're gonna have to. We'll have to run. I guess we're supposed to put these together somehow without spilling it everywhere. How do we do that?
That.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's spilling.
Get ready to run.
Oh. Well, that was a big fail.
Let's try putting it back in.
It ain't gonna go now.
Show you.
Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna shake it this time. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Set. See, wait a minute. Let's try this. Just pack this in a little bit tighter. I guess that is tight. It's not going to go much more than that. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta get my hands ready because we're going to set it down and run.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to run all the way to those sticks.
Run, run.
Well, at least you know you don't have to shake it.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything.
No.
See if there's enough stuff in it to... Oh, yeah, it doesn't do.
It does. But then it shoots that.
Yeah, I'd say it's pretty much an epic failure. It doesn't shoot very far, Jay.
What we discovered, this
The experiment works.
The experiment works,
But not
very well. Because like whenever you run, it just stays and then goes.
It only goes about that high, only as tall as you, and then it goes poof.
Yeah, it goes down.
Yeah, not very good.
Yeah, not like two horses on top of each other.
You're right.
Yeah.
It's nothing like that at all.
No.
Okay.
like two horses will be.
Oh, they'd be that taller?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. That's good.
Yeah. But two baseball fields.
Yeah,
two baseball fields will be.
Two baseball fields would be big.
Yeah, like
well, this was nothing like two baseball fields or two horses.
All right, so what happened with the instructions?
Well, we read the instructions, did exactly like it said. Still didn't work. So,
Actually, I think it worked less.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. I think what the problem is the nozzle's just way too big and it dumps everything out, and it doesn't have enough force to push it through the air. I just don't think that the nozzle is the right size. But oh well, we learned.
And perhaps a button would be nice, you know, to mix the ingredients, I would say.
Yes,
So like to release them together instead of just shoving it together, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and that's why I was saying, I hope that there's a controller or something.
Yep. Okay.
So like you just press A and then it'll release.
Yeah.
So what is your recommendation for this product?
I would say thumbs down.
I would say,
Fun, but not worth it.
Not worth it. Right.
yeah, Papa.
What?
You know, it's not this.
It's not
because-
this?
Yeah, because that is like we dislike it.
I do dislike it.
No,
I wanted it to go way up in the air.
That means you hate it.
Oh, it means I hate it? No, I don't hate it.
Like
Oh, how
this.
about sideways?
Yeah, like that.
It's okay. It was fun trying. How about that? Okay. It was fun trying.
Yeah.
Whee!
Like your Papa.
What?
Guess what's the other way to do it?
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like yours, guys. I'm Spider-Man.